Hi students, and today we are going to discuss a very important named reaction in organic chemistry, that is in amines, Gabriel phthalimide reaction. Very important for PUC as well as competitive purpose. Gabriel phthalimide. Thali spelling also very important. Phthalimide is there. Thali. This is thali. And what we are preparing in this reaction means from phthalimide, clear, from phthalimide we are preparing 1 degree amines, 1 degree amines, only 1 degree amines we are preparing in this method. This 1 degree amine also aliphatic primary amines. This is very important, you have to remember. Aliphatic primary amines only we are preparing. Aromatic primary amines, can't be prepared. Very important, number of times asked for competitives. Gabriel phthalimide reaction only for aliphatic primary amine. It is not for aromatic primary amine. Why? In Gabriel phthalimide reaction, we are not preparing aromatic primary amines means later we'll discuss that in the ending when reaction completed. What we are doing, and here we are preparing primary amines with the help of phthalimide, and here I am writing the structure of phthalimide. CO, and this is NH. This is we are calling phthalimide. So you remember, spelling very important, students doing mistake. Phthalimide. This phthalimide subjected to treat with alcoholic KOH or NaOH. Next, alcoholic KOH or NaOH, that is the first treat. Next, with alkyl halide. Next, alkaline hydrolysis, that is KOH in water. These are the steps we have. First we have to treat with alcoholic KOH. Next we have to treat with alkyl halide. Next we have to treat with alkaline hydrolysis. We have to do alkaline hydrolysis. Then what you are getting means, you are getting salt of phthalimide. Why? Because I took here potassium. Salt of phthalimide and primary amine. What you are getting? Primary amine. Clear? Salt of phthalimide, and here if you take NaOH, sodium salt of phthalimide, KOH, potassium salt of phthalimide. So this is potassium salt of phthalimide. What we are calling? Potassium salt. This is 1 degree amine. What we are calling? 1 degree amine. Clear? This is we are calling 1 degree amine. So like this, from phthalimide, by treating with KOH, alkyl halide, alkaline hydrolysis, you are getting potassium or salt of thalamide, and then you are getting primary amine. Primary amine is the main product in this reaction. Let me see how it will be happens, how reaction will be takes place. Look here, example I am explaining with example. First you go for thalamide, CONH. This is we are calling thalamide. What we are calling? Thalamide. This is generally we are calling imide. What we are calling? Imide. First we have to treat with alcoholic KOH or NaOH. I am taking KOH. You can take NaOH also, no problem. Clear? What happened? Simple. This K replace this hydrogen. Am I right? Then you are getting the product like this, that is intermediate CO. This H is displaced by this potassium. This hydrogen, this OH will be removed as water. This is OH minus plus and this is plus. Clear? This OH and this H water and K will attack. NK. This is we are calling now intermediate. What we are calling? Intermediate. And further it is treated with. So next step what I told, we have to treat with alkyl halide. Here I am taking methyl iodide. What I am taking? Methyl iodide subjected to heat. Simple. This iodine will displace this potassium. Then this potassium and iodine will form potassium iodide. So removal of potassium iodide. What you are getting? Removal of potassium iodide. Or you can take ethyl iodide, C2H5. Methyl, that much not favorable. Ethyl iodide. This ethyl group here bonded with, clear? So then you are getting respective product. Respective product is benzene in the presence of CO, and here you have CO. Clear? And this is, here I am writing, down I am writing, and this is, you go for that benzene CO group, and then here you have N, and this is bonded with C2H5. What you are getting? C2H5. So alcoholic KOH RX completed. In next step, alkaline hydrolysis. Here I am taking potassium hydroxide and water. Alkaline hydrolysis. Simple. Look here. We have water molecule. In water molecule, we have OH group and H plus, OH minus. Simple. Look here, this bond is going to be break. Two hydrogens bonded with this nitrogen, 2 moles you have to take. 2 moles. Clear? How many moles you have to take? 2 moles. These 2 hydrogens bonded with, here 2 bonds we broke now. So 2 hydrogens will attach here. Then the OH here, this OH here. Like this you are getting. Like this you are getting. CO, OH, CO, OH. This you know already, phthalic acid. And this is nitrogen bonded with 2 hydrogens. Then you are getting product C2H5, NH2. What you are getting? C2H5 and H2. C2H5 NH2. This is ethylamine or ethylamine. And why you used this KOH means these 2 moles will react with this. When 2 moles we took, this H react with this OH, removed as water, then you are getting finally COOK. That is, I told, salt of, that is potassium salt of thalamide. This is the byproduct actually. This is byproduct. We got here primary amine. Ethylamine. C2H5 I took na, like that. So first thalamide react with alcoholic KOH. This hydrogen, this OH removed as water. Then you are getting potassium substituted thalamide. That is potassium thalamide you are getting. Next. Clear? Next you have to treat with alkyl halide. Here I took ethyl iodide and this iodine is minus and this ethyl group is plus. This is minus, this is plus. Potassium is plus, nitrogen is minus. Then this ethyl group bonded here means this potassium and iodine removed as Ki. Here you have to heat strongly. Then ethyl substituted thalamide you are getting. Then this you have to hydrolysis in the presence of alkaline medium. When hydrolysis takes place, first stage, you are getting phthalic acid and primary amine. And this KOH treated with this phthalic acid, then you are getting this. And the main thing you have to remember that by this method, we are unable to prepare aryl amines, that is aromatic amines. Why we are unable to prepare aryl amides, that is primary aromatic amines means you learn in nucleophilic substitution reaction. So remember, Gabriel-Thalamide reaction is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Remember, very important. Gabriel-Thalamide reaction is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. You learn in nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is aromatic halides. Aryl halides. Aromatic halides nothing but aryl halides can't give nucleophilic substitution reaction. That's why here take alkyl halide we took. In this place aryl halide we have to take here. This aryl halides can't substitute. That's why here you have to take only alkyl halide. You should not take aryl halide. Why? Because aryl halides can't give nucleophilic substitution reaction. That's why primary aromatic amines we are unable to prepare. And remember, only for primary aliphatic amines. Why not aromatic? Means aromatic amines can't prepare by this method means aryl halides can't participate or can't give nucleophilic substitution reaction. That's why this is Gabriel-Thalamide reaction. Clear? If you like this concept, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. If you need anything, put in comment box. Be safe at home. Thank you.